Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn very clearly about two strings. How simply we are going to using strings in JavaScript. How we are going to communicating with the JavaScript elements to HTML elements. Let's see. Very simple. I think you have already familiar with the string data type when we have completed in the data types. So here also I'm going to explaining more detailed information about the strings. We'll see now. Let's begin. Let's see here. With the variable, I'm going to assigning here. Let's take either let or constant. You may take here. So the first name, taking double quotes or single quote, anything. John I'm taking, and last name Perry or Mary, John Mary, yes, any name you may take it. So first name and last name here it is written. Okay, either single quote or double quote, anything is possible to prepare. Now let's see. First name if I given, I'll get the first name straight away here in the output. It's a John. Wow, awesome. So how we are going to be concatenate? Taking double quotes and inside like let's check, like take a plus symbol, inside put double quotes, take a space, simply last name. That's it. Let's reload. John Mary, it's coming. If you need one more variable here, you just add in between the elements of these two plus with the string items, which is going to be concatenating the things many, and you will get the output with the very simply the string displaying. It's not specific to double quotes, I have told you already, and single quote is also possible to get the output. Alright, this is called very clear string formatting. And now I'll give you like one more information over here to get like anything you want to make it is like something break lines. If it is John, it is there. Mary, if you want to put in second line, what you do? Just simply write br. You can add it. You can add it br inside the this double quotes. That's it. John, Mary. If you want to put one more this name or email or something, what you do? Let email something Perry at gmail or hotmail.com. So very simply, I'm taking this copy of this code and at the end I'm putting an email over my requirement. Done. I'm able to getting here. So how simply it is I'm able to getting. Great. Now let's see a simple thing. I'm putting something like notes I am putting here very greatly. All right, like A, B, C, D, some text I am added. So what is the length of these notes? How would I know easily? So how I know that text which is added inside the notes variable, the string length, notes dot length, it's a built-in method, terminator. So let's see, reload. 4, it's a string like a length it is displaying. So if I added more, save it, reload. Oh, 11, automatically it is calculating the length of the string. So if I added something, save it, reload. Wow, 21. If I added more, save it, 30. Great. Yes. Where we will use this method? Where we will use this length method for a particular string counting? Yes. Particularly we will use in validating the names which is entered by the user. How much string he is entered. Maybe names minimum requirements of 3. It's a universal standard. So at least if the user is not entering minimum 3 digit in the name, first name, it won't be acceptable. Okay. So very clearly, you just verify. Just I'm giving you a built-in method. In the next lecture, we'll see the formatting, and again we'll see the methods, how we are going to applying built-in methods, and the dynamic variable declarations we'll see one by one in the upcoming lectures. I'll catch you there. Thank you.